Contents. Part 1. Machine Learning, Deep Learning and Applications. 1. Inter- and intra-signal variance in feature extraction and classification of effective state. Zachary Dare, Samantha Dockeray, and Rory O'Reilly. 2. A self-attention guided multi-scale gradient GAN for diversified X-ray image synthesis. Mohammed Manib Saad, Mubashir Hussain Rahmani, and Rory O'Reilly. 3. Spot the Fake Lungs. Generating synthetic medical images using neural diffusion models. Hazrat Ali, Shafaq Murad, and Zubair Shah. 4. Multi-graph convolutional neural network for breast cancer multitask classification. Muhammad Ibrahim, Shagufta Henna, and Gary Cullen. 5. A transformer architecture for online gesture recognition of mathematical expressions. Mirko Ramo and Gwenole C.M. Silvestre. 6. Analysis of attention mechanisms in box embedding systems. Jeffrey Sardina, Callie Sardina, John D. Kelleher, and Declan O'Sullivan. 7. A machine learning approach to industry classification in financial markets. Ryan Dolphin, Barry Smith, and Ruahai Dong. 8. A machine learning approach for modeling and analyzing of driver performance in simulated racing. Fazilat Hojaji, Adam J. Toth, and Mark J. Campbell. 9. Rapid quantification of NADCC for water purification tablets in commercial production using a TRF-TIR spectroscopy based on machine learning techniques. Hamza Asadi, Tom O'Mahony, Julie Lambert, and Kenneth N. Brown. 10. Wi-Fi-based human activity recognition using attention-based by LSTM Amani Elkalani, Robert Ross, and Susan McKeever. 11. A data-driven analysis of Formula One car races outcome. Ankur Patil, Nishtha Jain, Rahul Agrahari, Merhaf Hasari, Fabrizio Orlandi, and Somabrata Dev. 12. Brain tumor synthetic data generation with adaptive style GANs. Usama Tariq, Rizwan Qureshi, Anas Zafar, Daniel Oftab, Jia Wu, Tanveer Alam, Zubair Shah, and Hazrat Ali. Part 2. Responsible and trustworthy artificial intelligence. 13. Challenges associated with the adoption of artificial intelligence in medical device software. Carla Anila Cepeda Zapata, Tomas Ward, Roisin Lauren, and Fergal McCaffrey. 14. An intelligent empowering agent, IEA, to provide easily understood and trusted health information appropriate to the user needs. Marco Alfano, John Kellett, Biagio Lenziti, and Marcus Helfert. 15. Comparison and analysis of 3 key AI documents. EU's proposed AI Act, Assessment List for Trustworthy AI, ALTAI, and ISO, IEC 42001 AI Management System. Delaram Golpayagani, Harshvardhan J. Pandit, and Dave Lewis. 16. AI and ML in school-level computing education. Who, What and Where. Joyce Mahan, Brett A. Becker, and Brian McNamee. 17. Author Gender Identification Considering Gender Bias. Manuela Nayantara Jayaraj and Sarah Jane Delaney. 18. Identity term sampling for measuring gender bias in training data. Naseem Savani and Sarah Jane Delaney. 19. How augmented reality beauty filters can affect self-perception. Clara Isakovich. 20. Privacy-enhanced ZKP-inspired framework for balanced federated learning. Stefano Marzo, Royston Pinto, Lucy McKenna, and Rob Brennan. 21. Automatic vehicle ego body extraction for reducing false detections in automated driving applications. Kieran Hogan and Ganesh Sistu. Part 3. Natural language processing and recommender systems. 22. Recommendation uncertainty in implicit feedback recommender systems. Victor Coscredo and Derek Bridge. 23. Graph-based diffusion method for top-end recommendation. Yifei Zhou and Connor Hayes. 24. Sue Arge, counterfactual reviews generator for sentiment analysis. Diego Carraro and Kenneth N. Brown. 25. Meme sentiment analysis enhanced with multimodal spatial encoding and face embedding. Muzaffar Hasman, Susan McKeever, and Josephine Griffith. 26. Intelligent image compression using traffic scene analysis. David Bowden and Dearmood Grimes. 27. Aerial object detection for water-based search and rescue. Owen Mulcahy, Pepijn van de Ven, and John Nelson. 28. Cryptocurrency Volatility Index. An efficient way to predict the future. CVI and Pham Ngoc Nguyen, Martin Crane, and Maria Bezbradica. 29. Exploring abstractive versus extractive summarization techniques for sports news. Ahmed Judah. 30. Automatic linking of podcast segments to topically related web pages. Carla McKeon, Claudio Rocha, and Gareth J. F. Jones. Part 4. Knowledge Representation, Reasoning, Optimization and Intelligent Applications. 31. A large neighborhood search approach for the data center machine reassignment problem. Felipe Souza, Dearmood Grimes, and Barry O'Sullivan. 32. Bayesian optimization with multi-objective acquisition function for bilevel problems. Vedat Doan and Stephen Prestwich. 33. Explaining the effects of preprocessing on constraint satisfaction search. Richard J. Wallace. 34. Variable relationship guided LNS for the car sequencing problem. Felipe Souza, Dearmood Grimes, and Barry O'Sullivan. 35. Unimodal and multimodal representation training for relation extraction. Kieran Cooney, Rachel Hayburn, Liam Madigan, Mairead O'Quinn, Chloe Thompson, and Joanna Cavadas. 36. Runtime norms synthesis in dynamic environments with changing objectives. Maha Riyad, Saida Ghanadbashi, and Fatima Golpayagani. 37. Computational phenotyping of decision-making over voice interfaces. Lily Zhang, Ruben Mukherjee, Piyush Wada, Willie Muehlhausen, and Tomas Ward. 38. Latent space cartography for geometrically enriched latent spaces. Niall O'Mahony, Anshul Awasthi, Joseph Walsh, and Daniel Reardon. 39. Personalized filter bias with Google and DuckDuckGo, an exploratory study. Awais Akbar, Simon Cadden, and Ralph Bierig. 40. Entity resolution for multiple sources with extended approach. Phuc Pham Hu, Dong-Yoon Ni, and Michael Skrinny. 41. Safe lane changing in CA versus using external safety supervisors, a review. Lalu Prasad Lenka and Melanie Borosh. Author Index.